I know you clicked on this video because you want to know that particular medication, that antibiotics that can cure all infection. Yes, I've gotten this question severally on the comment section about a particular antibiotics or about a particular medication that can cure all infection, and I decided to make this short video. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, and today we are going to be talking about antibiotics that cure all infection. The number one answer I have to that question is that there is no particular antibiotics, there's no particular medication that can cure all infection. There is none. It is not in existence. That's one thing you should know. Okay, so there are different types of infection. We have bacterial infection, we have fungal infection, we have viral infection. So the doctors are going to give you some medications according to what you are battling with. Okay, so if you're having a viral infection, there's no way your doctor is going to prescribe antibiotics. If you're having a bacterial infection, there is no way your doctor is going to prescribe an antifungal medication. So for those that are asking, what is the one thing that can cure all infection? There is none. Because I get questions on the comment section saying, oh, Nurse Mercy Mary, I want to flush my system. What can I take that can flush your system? If there is nothing wrong with you, I see no reason why you should flush your system. But if you know something is wrong and needs to be treated, visit the doctor, get the necessary tests done, and they're going to give you the necessary medication for that illness and for that sickness. Okay, so especially for ladies that are having inching down there, they are having, I've talked about the various causes of inching and what this signifies. I talk about, oh, we have the yeast infection, this is the signs and symptoms you have to see. I talked about bacterial vaginosis, this is the signs and symptoms you have to see. So I explained that. So if you know the signs and symptoms, it is easier for you to get a better understanding of what a doctor is going to give to you while you are down. Okay, there is no particular medication that can cure all illness. They all have different function, different mechanism of action, different purpose, and the medication you take depends on a lot of factors. Okay, outside the different classes of medication, outside the different mechanism of action, it also depends on how fit you are. What is your past medical history? What is your past surgical history? What does your immunity looks like? Okay, if you keep on going to the pharmacy to get strong antibiotics, like they would say, I went to get Bicham antibiotics. I know you are doing it because you don't have a good knowledge of it. So that's why I'm here to educate you. If you keep on taking those strong antibiotics every time you have yeast infection, you go and get antibiotics. You have a bacterial infection, you go and get antibiotics. You have viral infection, you go and get antibiotics. Your body is going to build a resistance to antibiotics in such a way that when you really need it, that particular antibiotics is not going to work. So this is what I have to share with you, and I hope it is beneficial. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mercy Mary saying thank you. Bye, and see you in our next video.